So, who are they? These two inseparable friends and adventurers have been speeding through our hearts for decades. Sonic, the blue blur himself, known for his lightning-fast speed, attitude, and Tails, the twin-tailed fox with his genius mechanical skills and unwavering loyalty. This pair embodies friendship and courage like none other, really. But before we dive into the sneaker design, let's take a moment to appreciate the impact that these two characters have had on gaming and popular culture. In fact, I'm playing the newest game right now, Sonic Frontier, and from all I can see, welcome back to Art Unlimited, your favorite show on the internet where we chase freedom through art and creativity. I'm your host, Hayes, and today, on this very special episode, we are going to take a blast from the past with a little dash from the present. We are diving into one of the greatest video game characters of all time. That's right, I'm sure you guessed it from the video. Sonic the Hedgehog. And maybe a little more specifically, Tails.